Welcome to Lux Voyage Echoes. I'm your host Madhvi, and today we are joined by Mr. Akhil Chaturvedi, Executive Director at Motilal Oswal Asset Management Company, with over 24 years of experience in finance. Together, we will delve into mutual funds, market trends, and strategic investment insights in this episode titled The Business of Investing. Welcome to our episode 1, The Evolution of Indian Asset Management Insights from the Top. And I'm thrilled to be a host for this exciting journey. Today, we are kicking things off with a deep dive into the evolution of Indian asset management, an industry that's been growing by leaps and bounds. Akhil, it's an honor to have you with us. Thank you for joining. To start our conversation, I would like to begin with a key question. What is the secret behind Motilal Oswal's consistent success in the financial market?
So Motilal Oswal group, the secret behind the success of this group over the last 37 years obviously has been the strong foundation led by our promoters and the leadership team. I think three key ingredients for our success has been vision, courage and patience. So the vision of our promoters, courage to stay the course in tough times because we are in capital market business, so there have been a lot of ups and downs. So in these times, need to have courage to stay the course, and then eventually this is a business of patience. So slowly, steadily, we have started with one business and then we added multiple businesses. Each business has been through the learning curve, and over the last several decades, the group is now much more stronger. We are now over 12,000 people, fairly spread across all parts of the country, and we are growing day by day. So I would say that I think our promoters, their vision, the leadership team, their courage and patience, I think all put together have been the key ingredients for success of the Motilal Oswal Group.
That's fascinating, Akhil. Motilal Oswal's consistent success truly stands out in an ever-evolving market. It's insightful to hear how your team's disciplined approach and long-term vision contribute to that. It's not easy to maintain consistency in a volatile environment, and it's clear that staying focused on fundamentals is key. Let's move on to my second question. How do you stay ahead of market trends?
So as we know, we are in, the markets are very, very dynamic. Every day is a new day. So you need to be always on your feet to stay ahead of the market. I think for our business, we are into business of investing. So when you are investing, research is very, very important. So we spend a lot of efforts, a lot of resources are invested to ensure that our investment capabilities, our investment processes are very, very stringent. We can ideate much better, we can control the risk much better, and just trying to stay ahead of the market in terms of getting ideas sooner into our portfolios and trying to ride the growth wave of businesses. But I think clearly our commitment to the investment team, to the research processes and overall risk management, I think all these three things put together has ensured that we have done reasonably well in terms of our performances over the last 2 decades.
As for staying ahead of market trends, I love the emphasis you placed on research and data-driven decisions. It's reassuring for investors to know that there is a strong foundation behind the strategies. Being proactive rather than reactive is definitely what sets leaders like you apart. I'm sure our listeners will find your approach both inspiring and practical for navigating their own financial journeys. That wraps up our first episode of Lux Voyage Echoes. A big thank you to Mr. Akhil Chaturvedi for sharing his insights into the evolution of Indian asset management. In our next episode, we will explore building wealth and with discipline, investment strategies for the long haul. Stay tuned.